Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on Samsung Galaxy F54. So if you have a problem with the Bluetooth device, always start from the simplest way, so switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone. It's obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated pair mode, and how to activate it you will find a manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel. So just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices. But it's still not for your phone. Let's open the settings and go to the general management. Swipe down and look for the reset, open it and choose Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap on this button and choose reset settings. After that, look again for your device on the Bluetooth list. In the next step, you can also try to update your system, so go to the software update and choose download and install. If you have an update, just download it and install, then check for your device on the Bluetooth list again. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.